And thank you for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5. I'm Ann Trujillo, joining you from my remote home studio as we do our part here at Denver 7 to increase social distancing throughout every part of our TV station.
Good evening, Ann. I'm Shannon Ogden. Good evening, everybody, here from the Denver 7 studios. Let's start right away with the latest information from the Colorado Department of Health and Environment. We are just shy of 3,000 positive cases in our state. Total number this afternoon, 2,966. And the number of deaths also is climbing. 69 people now have succumbed from complications from coronavirus. 509 patients have symptoms severe enough to need hospital treatment. And the state is now tracking outbreaks at 16 long-term care facilities where the residents are the most vulnerable. And this is a look at the trajectory of new cases day over day. Today we had 339 more cases than yesterday. So when we talk about the curve we're trying to flatten, that's the curve we're trying to flatten. And we expect to see a rise in cases slow down as we see the effects of this social distancing. Also affecting those numbers, more testing. Stride Community Health Center opened its first drive-up testing sites this week, one at Aurora, one at Wheat Ridge. They hope to test 80 patients a day at each location, 40 in the morning, then 40 in the afternoon. The drive-up site in Wheat Ridge at the Jeffco Family Health Services Center will be open through Friday 9 to 4 with an hour break at noon, Saturday afternoon 9 to 1. There's a second location at the Aurora Health and Wellness Plaza. Will be open through Friday, same weekday hours.
And we are getting an update from the Colorado Department of Labor on unemployment insurance claims and the first round of payments going out. Now, so far, only the people who were able to file by the 18th of March have been sent payments. Even though tens of thousands of people have successfully applied in our state, there is a 10-day waiting period to get a PIN in the mail that then allows you to access your unemployment payment. So many people in need are still waiting for assistance. And with rent and other first-of-the-month bills due tomorrow, some people are now scrambling to find relief. The governor says evictions will not be enforced. Of course, that's also putting landlords in a tough spot. Denver 7's Sloan Dickey shows us how renters and landlords are being encouraged to work together during this uncertain time.
There should not be evictions that are enforced except for public safety reasons.
When it comes to evictions, the governor made it clear.
You see that happening anywhere, please elevate that to us. As far as we know, there aren't any occurring except under dangerous circumstances.
But as the end of the month approaches, some residents are worried.
It was just really, really scary because I know me and a lot of my coworkers already don't make enough to have savings and have like an extra $400 or $1,000 here or there.
Daniel Grosso was recently laid off from a restaurant in Denver. Though he has worked out a plan with his landlord, he doesn't know how long it will last.
And this is just pushing them over the edge. We're all already at the precipice there, so it's very scary.
Some advocates are speaking out, even pushing for rent strikes in the month of April.
We've been calling service workers who are laid off, many of whom only have food for 5 to 6 days. They don't know what they're going to do tomorrow. They don't have enough money to pay their rent.
Renters who call 211 will be connected to state resources to keep people in their homes. Residential evictions have also been halted in Colorado through April 30th. But as the flow of money slows down, landlords are feeling the pinch as well.
Most of them have mortgages to pay, and they have taxes, and they have insurance, and they have to keep up with those obligations. Everybody's going to be hurting from this, so landlords and tenants need to work together to make things palatable for both parties.
As Colorado settles into the fight against coronavirus, the economic pain is settling in too.
I just hope that we can get some relief because we really, really need it.
For Denver 7, I'm Sloan Dickey reporting.